Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to install redmagic gamespace. For now, the gamespace app. Open any browser, go here and type gamespace while we're at it. Here we go. Now let's follow the link. Meanwhile, I'm having a drink. Here, click download APK. So we click download APK and the file starts downloading. Let's open it. Click settings and allow downloads from sources. After that, click install and there you go, the app is installed. Next, we need an activity launcher. Go to the Play Store, click search and type in activity launcher. Now we install it. Let's open it. Click OK. Here in the search type game. Find GameSpace. Choose an activity, click create shortcut. There you go. So from there, a shortcut for GameSpace will appear here and you can launch the apps. That's all for now. It's been me with you. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.